Social class. What about social class, Nana? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Good. Show me thumbs up. If it is good, show me thumbs up. Yeah. Okay. Right. Good. 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 Yes, Nana. Okay. Right, Nana. So okay. Vikas Patel raised a hand. Okay, Nana. Right. So in the last class, we have seen about problems. Till we discuss them. Can you see the screen, Nana? Yes, Nana. See, I think you are getting some music, right? Sorry for that. Every day morning it happens. Yes, Nana. Right. Don't focus on that. Yeah. Okay. What is the problem? I think this is I have given you homework, right? And sixth one is also homework, right? Okay. Seventh question, Nana. Express each of the following decimal in P by Q and Q not equals to 0 and P comma Q are integers, right? See, which I will explain you. You can wish. Second one I will explain you, and in this also I will explain this fourth problem. Okay, see that 115.4, and we have to write in the P by Q form where P comma Q are integers, right? 15.4. Mangadevi, take the attendance, Nana. Please send it to me. Send it to me. 15.4 we have to convert into decimal P by Q form now. So what we do now, simply we remove the decimal point and write 10 in the denominator, right? 154 by 10. We have one decimal place, we have taken 110 for that, okay, in the denominator. That is in the form of P by Q, where P is equals to 154 and Q is equals to 10. That's it. That's it now. What is the question number actually? Oh, seventh bit, second problem, right? That's it, answer. Or if you want to simplify, you can simplify also, no problem. 2 5s, 2 7s 14, 2 7s 77 by 5. This is also, this is the simplest form, okay? Here P is equals to 77, Q is equals to 5. Both are the answers, okay? Yes, no. Take a screenshot and next problem. Remaining our homework. Okay, very simple. Very simple. Please solve these problems. I'll check everything, Nana. Okay. 1, 2, 3 problems of homework. Now try yourself and remember one more thing. So when I give you the homework, you must to write date of the homework and day of the homework and the class timing. You must mention these three things in your homework page. Okay. You must mention these three things, Nana. And day, number of homework also. Number of homework. It means suppose if I give you today homework, tomorrow maybe I will not give you the homework, right? So you have to mention that number, how many times I have given homework also you should mention, okay? Right? And coming to second bit, little bit tricky than the seventh bit. I will explain this fourth problem now. 3.127 bar. 3.127 bar that we shall convert into P by Q form. 3.127 bar on the top of 7, right? 8th bit, fourth question. Let us consider this is a x 3.127 bar. So what is the decimal? It is actually, it is a non-terminating recurring decimal, right? With period 7. Periodicity, what is the periodicity? Yes, no. 1. Only one digit is repeating, right? So this we can write x is equals to 3.1277777 so on. Equation 1. Okay. So multiply both sides with 10. Okay. There is nothing but 10 into x is equals to 3.12777 so on into 10. So 10x is equals to 31.2777 so on. Okay. Then this is equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. This is a long question, Nana. You may get, okay? Please have to be focused. 10x is equals to 31.2777 so on. And x is equals to 3.1277 so on we get. To subtract, change the sign minus, so on 0, 0 and 7 minus 2. 5 you get and 2 minus 1. 1 point as it is and 1 not goes from 3 so that take barrow from here. 11 minus 3 how much it is 8 and 2 is remaining 28, right? Now this we can write as 9x. It is 9x, right? Here it is 9x. So 9x is equals to 28.15. So x is equals to 28.15 by 9 we get, right? So decimal point is still there, right? Then what we do? Take here x is equals to 28.15 by 9. So remove the decimal point, Nana, and we have 2 digits after the decimal point, right? 2 decimal places we have. So we take 2 tens in the denominator, right? 2 tens is nothing but 100. So 9 into 100 we take. So x is equals to 2815 by 900 is the P by Q form of the, sorry, which is given number. So the P by Q form of 3.127 bar is 2815 by 900. Okay, did you get this, Nana? Just I will show you the screen once again. This is the okay, this is the first paper. Take a screenshot, Nana. This one is second paper. Second paper. This one is third paper. Okay. So if you want to simplify, you can simplify, Nana, no problem. We can simplify also, but I'm taking directly as it is. Okay, no problem. Okay. Yes, any doubts? Yes, Nana. Once go to the previous yes, if you see these problems are homework, Nana. 1, 2, 3 problems are homework. If you get any doubt, we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, no problem. I will explain that. Yes, yes, Nana, right? This thing 9. Just think about this problem without actually dividing. Find which of the following are terminating decimals. So without actual dividing, if we divide, then only we get the decimal point. Then without division, can we say that it is a terminating or non-terminating? Yes, we can say. We'll discuss about that in the next class. Okay, Nana? Have a nice day. Bye, Nana. Bye, all of you. Somebody raise your hand. We'll discuss about that. Actually, we have one more class, right? Anvesh, sir, unmute.
Sir, good morning. Good morning. Sorry
Morning,
for
sir.
disturbance at last.
No
Sir,
problem.
what is the thing is our KHS students are not owning the video. If they are not owning the video, just keep in the waiting room, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir. Definitely.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yes, Nana. Bye, all of you. You must start your video. Did you take the attendance, Nana? Manga Devi? Manga Devi, are you there? Couldn't see you, Nana. Where are you? Can take. Otherwise, I will take. Yes, Nana. Send it to me. Manga Devi. Bye, Nana. Bye.